Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to provide a solution to this interesting geometry problem. We are asked to find the area of the shaded region which is bounded by a square and an equilateral triangle. Let's get started. This is a regular polygon. Remember, a regular polygon has all its sides equal. So it has a dimension of 2 centimeters. This is a square which is attached to one side of the polygon. So since it is a square, all sides are equal, right? So every single side here is 2 centimeters each. This is an equilateral triangle. Already we know that this is 2 centimeters, which is one side of the polygon. Therefore, all other two sides will be 2 centimeters each. All right. And if you observe, the area we are looking for is nothing but the area of a trapezoid. So this is a trapezoid, and we know the formula, right? 1 divided by 2 multiplied by the sum of the parallel sides multiplied by h. So let me draw the trapezoid here. So this is the trapezoid. This is A, this is B, and this is H. And the formula area is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by A plus B multiplied by H. And therefore we need to find A, B, and H. All right, let's go back to our diagram. Since this is a regular polygon, this edge and this edge must be on the same vertical line, which is going to divide the base of the triangle into two equal parts. So if the base is 2 centimeters, it implies that this will be 1 centimeter, this will also be 1 centimeter. Remember that this is 2 centimeters. So I would like to use this triangle, which is a right angle triangle. Remember, this is 90 degrees. So if this is 1, this is 2, what will be this side? According to Pythagoras' rule, it is going to be the square root of hypotenuse squared, 2 squared is 4, minus the other side squared, which is 1 squared. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So this side is going to be what? Square root of 3. But remember that this is going to be our h, right? This side here is h, which is the height of that trapezoid. And one thing we have learned is that this is a square, and it has a dimension of 2 centimeters each. So if from here to here is root 3, once you add it to h, it will be equal to 2 centimeters because the total is 2 centimeters. So if you want to find the h, you can subtract root 3 from 2, and that is our h. So h is equal to 2 minus root 3 centimeters. Then remember that this is b, right? B is already 1. So let me write it here. B is equal to 1 cm. So what we need to find is A. And this is our A, remember. So if you observe, let me connect this point. This triangle and this triangle are identical. Remember. So this is 2 centimeters. This is definitely going to be square root of 3 from this point to this point, which is the height of that triangle. But I would like to find the distance from here down here. To do that, you have to subtract h from root 3, right? So I think, let me call this c. To find c, we say that c is equal to the total length is root 3 minus h. We have just obtained h to be 2 minus root 3. So 2 minus root 3. The minus is affecting the 2 times, so we have 2 root 3 minus what? Minus 2. And remember that this is an equilateral triangle. All the interior angles are 60 degrees each. So this is 60, this is 60, this is also 60. And this angle here corresponds to this one, so it is going to be 60 as well. So from here, I can use tan ratio to find E, right? Because tangent of 60 degrees will be opposite, which is C, divided by the adjacent, which is A. So tangent of 60 degrees is equal to opposite, which is C, but C is this value right here, which is 2 root 3 minus 2 divided by A. Let's make A the subject. We know that tangent of 60 is root 3, so we are going to bring A here and take root 3 down. So we have A to be equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 divided by root 3. All right, so we have our A. Let me write it down here. A is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 divided by root 3. So now let us substitute this 3 information into our formula. Our formula is A equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by A. A is 2 root 3 minus 2 divided by root 3. Then plus B, and B is 1 centimeter. Then multiply by the height, which is 2 minus root 3. So this is what we are going to simplify to get our final answer. But let me simplify this first. Therefore, this is equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 divided by root 3. The whole of this multiplied by 2 minus root 3. So 2 root 3 plus root 3 will give us 3 root 3, right? So this is 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 root 3 minus 2 divided by root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3. So now let us multiply. But I can bring this one outside. So we have 1 over 2 root 3. 3 root 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6 root 3. Then this times this, the root 3's will multiply. We get 3 times 3 is 9. And this is going to be negative 9, right? Then we take this, you multiply by this, that will give us negative 4. Minus minus is plus, 2 times root 3, right? This is 1 divided by 2 root 3, multiplied by this and this together, we have 8 of them. 8 root 3 minus 13. From here we can divide. This times this, it will root 3 and root 3 will cancel, and we have 8 divided by 2, which is 4, minus this time this will give us what? Negative 13 divided by 2 root 3. And this is our final answer. This is the area of that trapezoid. Unless if you don't want to see an irrational number at the bottom, you can rationalize it by multiplying the top and the bottom by root 3. So this will be 4 minus 13 times root 3 is 13 root 3. Divided by root 3 times root 3 is 3 times 2 is 6 centimeter squared. This is the exact solution. But if you want to find the approximated solution, you can press this into your calculator, and this will be approximately equal to 0.247223 cm squared. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.